Welcome to Crypto by Sahir. In this channel, I recommend some of the underrated cryptocurrencies for life-changing gains. So if you love making money and cryptocurrencies, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Also, be sure to hit the bell icon so you're continually updated with my videos. Today, we have CNFI. So let's get started. Before getting into what Connect Financial is, let's see its chart. So if you go to the maximum chart starting from January, it started from pennies up to $1 2 days earlier, right? And if you see from the all-time low, it is almost 11x from January, right? So this is the chart that should get you motivated on what and why you should invest in CNFI. Okay, so what is Connect Financial? So let's head over to their website, and here they claim that they're making the first crypto credit card backed by Visa. So you think that this is not new, considering that there are already competitors out there like CRO and SXP that have Visa debit cards, but this one is introducing credit card in the crypto space, which is totally new, at least for the crypto space. So that's the first thing they're doing, as in they're introducing crypto credit cards, and then they also, they also have this Connect Wallet where you can manage your funds, like exchange currencies, borrow, take loans, and all the DeFi setup, right? And they have this tier of cards based on how much CNFI you stake. So this will change as we go forward, since the price of CNFI will increase over time. So I think what I remember from the Telegram, they mentioned that these numbers will change based on price. So absolutely this will get lower over time, that you will need less tokens to stake if you want a black crypto credit card from Connect Financial. Okay, so this is the basic setup of CNFI, and that's what they're bringing to the table. And let's see what's there in the news. Okay, so I've got two news for CNFI. First of all, it got listed on BitMax approximately 12 days ago. On March 10, they were listed on BitMax. And it's interesting since it's just the first crypto exchange, like a centralized crypto exchange to be listed on. And it's just available on Uniswap and BitMax. And still it's like on a 24 million market cap. We'll go through the price prediction in the end, but this is just the beginning phase for CNFI, right? And then the second news is this design for the credit card. So first of all, they are partners with Axion, like they have a partnership with Axion, which is also a really nice project to invest in. So this alliance. And then Axion, not CNFI, Axion tweets that that CNFI has made this design, and it's pending Visa's approval on actually be like this when the credit cards roll out. So this is big news, right? They're trying their best to make this all beginning setup to be perfect once they go out, right? And this is a very exciting news, at least for early investors. So what's CNFI heading towards, and what could be the possible price prediction, let's say after a year? So there are a couple of things to notice here. First of all, just as I mentioned, there's just one centralized exchange that's listing CNFI. We don't see Gate, we don't see any other exchanges, so this is still pretty new. And personally, I am like above 300% on CNFI. So it's still not a bad time to enter into CNFI, considering that it has not hit bigger exchanges. That's number one. Secondly, if you compare this to what CRO is at, it's actually at 5.7 billion over a span of a couple of years, right? And if you just expect to go at least 10% of the market cap of CRO, this should at least be sitting at 500 million market cap. And even if we like divide it by 2, this is easy 10x from here, like a $10 coin for CNFI. Let's say after a year. So I do think this can actually 10x by the end of year or even earlier. As soon as it hits bigger exchanges, this is going to go skyrocket. However, there's a catch. So their team is not public yet, which is a bit scary for early investors. But if you remember that Bitcoin itself is coming from Satoshi Nakamoto, and then we don't even know a shit about Satoshi, right? So considering that, it's worth the risk. They will make themselves publicly, like their team will be going public by the end of this quarter, as far as I remember, or they could perhaps delay that. It's up to them, but it's a worthy investment, right? Considering that they're bringing something new to the space, and considering the fact that it's pretty new still. It has launched in Jan and has 11x'd by now, and sky is the limit for this. So I at least think that this can 10x straight up in just a year. So how would you get this? You can get this from Uniswap, and you can just go on one of my videos where I explain how do you get Uniswap, like how can you actually do swaps from Ethereum to other coins. And yeah, that's how on MetaMask you just have to swap your Ethereum for CNFI, and then that's it. You just have to keep your CNFI on your MetaMask wallet for now. If you want to stake, that's a different story. But yeah, so that's my price prediction, and see you in the next video.